In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a PowerPoint presentation in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for multiple presentations, need backups, or wish to work on variations of the same project without affecting the original, this skill is invaluable. So let's dive right in and learn how to efficiently create copies of your PowerPoint presentations. First off, to get started, you'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem obvious, but it's the gateway to all your presentation work. If you're not already familiar, you can find the PowerPoint application in your Start menu on a Windows PC, or in the Applications folder if you're using a Mac. Once you've located it, just click to open and you'll be greeted by the PowerPoint Start screen. This screen is your hub for recent documents, templates, and more. It's where all your presentation adventures begin. Now let's move to the next step. From this opening screen within PowerPoint, you'll need to open your existing file. This could be a presentation you've been laboring over for hours, or a template you're looking to adapt for a new purpose. Since you're looking to duplicate a presentation, I assume you already have a file in mind. Navigate through the recent documents displayed or use the open option to browse your computer or cloud storage locations for the specific PowerPoint file you wish to duplicate. Once you find your file, click on it to open. With your presentation now open, the next step will take you closer to creating its duplicate. Navigate to the File option on the top left corner of your PowerPoint window. Clicking on File unfolds a world of options from saving, opening new or existing files, to adjusting your PowerPoint settings. But, for our purpose today, it serves as the starting point to duplicating your presentation. After clicking on File, you'll want to right-click on the presentation listed in the Recent Documents or the Open list. Right-click is a handy tool that often reveals shortcuts and additional functionalities not immediately visible. In some versions of PowerPoint, you may need to find your file in the Recent section, or if you've just opened your file, it should be visible here too. Context menus, which appear upon right-clicking, are often overlooked, but they are packed with features speeding up many processes. Upon right-clicking, look for an option that says Open a Copy. This is pretty straightforward, but incredibly powerful. Clicking Open a Copy does exactly what it suggests. It opens a new instance of your PowerPoint presentation as a separate file, essentially duplicating it. What's brilliant here is that it ensures your original file remains untouched, keeping your original work safe while you tinker, modify, or repurpose the copy. And just like that, you have successfully duplicated your PowerPoint presentation. The duplicated file will open in a new window, allowing you to work on it independently from the original. This means you can make any changes you like without worrying about altering the original presentation. It's a perfect solution for when you need to make presentation versions tailored to different audiences, or simply want to experiment with changes without the risk of losing your original work. There you have it, a clear step-by-step guide on how to duplicate a PowerPoint presentation in just about 5 minutes. Remember, mastering such straightforward processes not only saves your time, but also enriches your tool set, making you more efficient in your presentation preparations. This method ensures your original creations remain intact, while giving you the freedom to explore, adjust, and refine copies for any purpose you see fit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.